Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'll be doing unboxing of this amazing device from Xiaomi, Redmi Note 8. Xiaomi has recently launched this device and there is also a Pro version, Redmi Note 8 Pro. Soon I'll be doing unboxing for that, so stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Now the best thing about this device or any Xiaomi device is the price point. Xiaomi is always known for giving you the best value for money devices, and this one is no different. Now the price for this device in Dubai is 685 dirhams. So in Indian currency it will be like 13,000. So this is the first batch, so the price is 685. I'm sure soon the price will go down to 550, 580, something like that. So around 10,000 Indian currency, now which will be an awesome price for this amazing device. To buy this device in Dubai, you can see on the screen the numbers are there and also the shop name is there. You can buy not only this device but all Xiaomi devices over here. First of all, the most important thing about this shop, they always get the stock earliest in Dubai, and also their prices are less than the market price, which is also good. The only thing is that you need to be in Dubai to buy this because they are not shipping to India or Pakistan or another countries, because when you add shipping charges it will become same. And also one more thing I would like to add, that this is not my shop, this is my friend's shop, and usually I'm buying these devices from them, so I truly believe on them. But this is not my shop, so just to clear it out. Also every month I'm doing the unboxing of latest and new Xiaomi devices, so kindly subscribe to my channel and please hit the like button. I will really appreciate that. This is 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM version, but the same device also comes with a 6GB RAM and 128GB version for a slightly higher price. This is the Neptune blue color. So let's start the unboxing and get to know more about this amazing device. But before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. So this is all what we get out of the box. We have the device, we have the charger and the USB cable, we have a silicone case. Now good thing with Xiaomi, with most of the devices, it always gives a protective case. And also I must praise Xiaomi for providing 18-watt fast charger with this budget device. Now this is extremely good. A USB Type-C cable, which is I think a must in 2019 with every devices. So that's all what you get out of the box. Now let's see the device itself and boot it up for the first time. Even though it's a budget device, but the color Xiaomi has chosen for this device, the Neptune blue color, looks stunning. But this color does remind me of Xiaomi's Mi 8 Lite, which I unboxed earlier. It has a beautiful gradient finish and looks stunning. Also, after a long time in Xiaomi devices, I can see the return of fingerprint scanner at the rear. The device has quad camera setup. The primary camera is 48 megapixel with 8 megapixel wide angle, 2 megapixel depth camera and 2 megapixel micro lens. But as you can see, the camera cutout is a little bit protruding, so when you're putting it on the table or something, it will annoy you. So I will highly recommend to use a case with this so that it will not imbalance when it's on the table. One great thing with this device, that Xiaomi is providing Gorilla Glass 5 support at the back and also in the front. So this is a very good thing for a mid-end price. In case of small drops or something, this will definitely, be more durable. Let's see the design of this device. On the side we have the power and the volume cutout. At the bottom we have the good old 3.5mm headphone jack, a USB Type-C cable, main microphone and a single speaker, but Xiaomi is claiming that this speaker quality is much better than the Redmi Note 7, but I will need to test it. On the left side you have the SIM tray, and the good thing is that you can have 2 SIM cards with a micro SD card. Now this is awesome because if you buy a Redmi Note 8 Pro you don't get this option. At the top you have the secondary microphone and the good old IR blaster. There is a very tiny water drop notch on the front and very minimum bezels on the side. In terms of the thickness, it's not very slim, it's a little bit thicker, but again it has 4000 mAh battery, so I don't mind that. I think overall for this price point, I will say this is a beautiful design by Xiaomi. Also the choice of color, the gradient blue, looks really stunning. I was expecting Xiaomi to give an in-screen and fingerprint scanner. That would be great with this device, but unfortunately you get a rear fingerprint scanner, which is quite rare in nowadays with new devices. Now the setup is complete and we are greeted with this beautiful screen. In terms of the display, I will say that, let me first turn the brightness fully on. Yes, in terms of the display, it's pretty okay, nothing great, not like a Samsung display. It's an IPS LCD display, so cannot match with the OLED or AMOLED display, but pretty decent Full HD Plus display. But for this price point, definitely Xiaomi is saving some bucks for the display. But the good thing is that it has Gorilla Glass 5 protection, which is amazing if you drop your device. Let's see the fingerprint scanner speed. Yeah, it's pretty fast. So this year Xiaomi has launched a lot of devices with the in-display fingerprint scanner, but the rear fingerprint scanner is quite fast in this device. It's just the matter of location, but in terms of the usage, it's quite fast. So this is the global variant, and let's see what is running. The global variant is running the security patch of August with the MIUI version of 10.3.2 based on Android 9. Now this will get regular updates from Xiaomi, and since it's a global ROM, you will be finding it quite easy to use. So as I said, in terms of the screen quality and the display quality, it's pretty okay. I mean, you can zoom in the screen, you will still have the small water drop notch. The quality of the screen is okay. The viewing angles are a bit dim. Nothing awesome, but for this price point, I think this is a pretty okay display. You will not be disappointed. Also, you do get the dark mode theme with this device, which is awesome. Now let's see the sound quality. Even though it has a single speaker, Xiaomi is saying that the speaker quality has been enhanced. So let's try a no copyright sound.
Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake?
I think the sound quality is pretty decent. It's not extremely loud, but still pretty okay and decent. It doesn't have a stereo speaker, but for a mono speaker, the sound quality is quite acceptable. Now let's talk about the main highlight of this smartphone, its camera. So on the rear, it has 48 megapixel main camera with 8 megapixel wide angle camera. And also it has a 2 megapixel depth sensor. And also it has 2 megapixel micro camera for micro shots. On the front, it has a 13 megapixel, which has all the modes, Xiaomi is giving with all their smartphones, the beauty mode, the AI mode. So best thing about video is when you click on the right, you have the settings here. You can change to 4K, 720p, 1080p right from here. So this is amazing setting. In 4K you can shoot maximum 30 frames per second, and you do get an image stabilization, which is awesome. But unfortunately it's not an optical stabilization. This has a electronic stabilization. There is a dedicated 48 megapixel mode, which is also good. You have the portrait, you have the night mode. Now let's see some sample images and videos from this device and get to know more about it. Now in terms of the processor, it has Snapdragon 665, but you will not be disappointed with the performance on a daily basis. Also, if you are a gamer and you like to play a lot of games, especially PUBG, you will not be disappointed with the performance in medium graphics settings. Also, the phone doesn't get very hot while playing games, which is a good thing. It has 4000 mAh battery, so it can easily last you for more than a day, depends on your usage. So overall, I will say that for this price point, you must buy this device. It has a lot of cool features. Camera is decent in the daylight, not in the night light. The build quality, the battery life, the display, speaker, everything in combination with this price point is an awesome deal. You shouldn't miss it. If you're planning to buy a new device and you don't want to spend much, but you do want all the features with value for money, I think this is the device. There is also a pro version for this device. Soon I'll be doing unboxing for that. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. And please hit the thumbs up. I will really appreciate that. Now where you can buy this device, you can see the numbers on the screen. Now this is the shop which I highly recommend, and they also have cool electronics on the known website. You can check them out. I'll provide the links in the description below. But this is not my shop. This is my friend's shop, but I'm always buying from them, so I highly recommend them. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel for my next video of Redmi Note 8 Pro. Soon it's coming, and also Mi 9 Lite, which is just launched by Xiaomi. I'll be covering that in my next video. So this was my unboxing and my first impression on this amazing device, and hope to see you soon in my next video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.